G'day guys, it's Vulcan Cam Man here. How's it going? So, first of all, I know I've been away for quite a while. I haven't posted a video in a couple of months. I've had a lot of personal stuff go on, so that's why I've been so inactive. So, you know, please forgive me. I haven't posted anything on Facebook or Instagram in ages. So yeah, I've just had a lot of personal stuff go on, and I just needed a bit of a break from everything, you know what I mean? So when it comes to you know, how often I'll post videos, I really can't promise anything. So, you know, it might be one video, it might be 2 or 3 videos a week, it might be one video a month, it might be one video every 3 months. You know, it really depends on what goes on, you know, in my personal life, because this Vulcan Cam Man YouTube channel was more or less a hobby of mine. So it's something to do with my spare time, more or less, or whenever I'm out riding and I catch a few, you know, idiots on the road, whatever. So yeah, I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm doing fine. I have been going through a bit of you know, have had a couple of dark clouds over my head recently, but I'm doing fine now, so don't worry about that. Yeah, I just want to thank you guys for you know, sticking with me and subscribing and sharing my videos around and leaving comments and whatnot. It means a lot to me. I appreciate it. Yeah, if you guys do want updates on when I'll be releasing my videos, there's a little notification bell next to the subscribe button. So if you click on that, YouTube will let you know when I release videos and everything. And you can keep up to date with them on, you know, Facebook and everything, because I post them on Facebook too. So yeah, all that's said and done. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Cheers.